Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to share some tricks on getting drawing ideas.
Do you also run out of ideas like me? There is no need to worry because I will tell you what I do when I am in these conditions. So when I wake up at 7 am,
I see mountain, birds, etc.
okay, so the tip number 1 is draw anything you see. Yes, you heard me right, draw anything you see. They can improve your perspective and many more things. And now it's time for tip number 2. Now the second tip is really related to the first tip. I'm just trying to make videos longer. Second tip is pretty easy. Draw people which you see in your locality or neighborhood. Now drawing them can really improve your anatomy and your understanding in drawing human figure. Now it's time for my third and the last trick, which is my most favorite trick ever. My third and the last tip is drawing from references. Now drawing from references include redrawing, copying artwork, etc. So you can watch my references drawing on my channel. I will link them in description, and you can also watch them from I button. I have redrawn many drawings of Jezza and many cartoons, so you can watch them.